Remember how awesome winter was as a kid? But for commercial building owners, facility directors, and property managers, the thought of winter snow is anything but joyful. Why? Commercial buildings with flat or low-slope roofs are vulnerable to collapse due to snow load. According to FEMA's Snow Load Safety Guide, snow accumulation in excess of building design conditions can result in structural failure and possible collapse. Ask a structural engineer and they'll tell you the combined weight of 2 feet of old snow and 2 feet of fresh snow could be as high as 60 pounds per square foot of roof space. Think about it. All that snow load on your roof, plus the massive snow drifts that accumulate around parapet walls and HVAC units, plus the additional daily weight fluctuations due to the freeze-thaw cycle. What about the extra weight from ice dams that form thanks to all the leaves and debris that's clogging your roof's drainage system? Even the best designed roof can end up with structural damage or worse, collapse, causing significant damage to both property or worse, people. Given the threat of structural failure or collapse, can you afford to settle for just anyone to remove snow from the most important part of your facility? At North American Roofing, we know snow removal. In fact, our engineers invented the industry's safest and most effective snow removal plan for shopping centers, warehouses, distribution centers, food and beverage plants, manufacturing, and other industrial facilities. When you sign up for North American Roofing's snow removal program, you get on-call, safety-first crews at your disposal, even during the holidays. Each crew comes fully equipped with the right tools and equipment to safely remove snow from your roof. Advanced on-site testing ensures you get the most accurate money-saving quote that relies on real data instead of fear tactics. While our crews are hard at work clearing off your roof, you will receive routine progress reports and photo logs that show your project status. Ultimately, you will get peace of mind knowing that your facilities will be taken care of by true roofing professionals. Rapid response snow removal, safe and efficient crews, peace of mind, and business as usual. That's what you can expect from North American Roofing. Call our service department today to get a proactive snow removal plan.